Albondigas soup is a Mexican meatball soup that I remember my grandmother making when I was little. There is beef made into meatballs. There's rice in the meatballs. There's a beautiful array of fresh vegetables, which include carrots and onions and zucchini. It's a beautiful, bright color, tiny bit spicy with a nice citrusy finish. I come from a big family, and growing up, we would always go to Grandma's house, and Grandma's thing was to feed everyone. We would come in, and as soon as you hit the door, you could tell Grandma was cooking something, but Albondigas soup was one of my favorite things that she made. I really am so excited because the recipe just came out so nice. The packaging is beautiful. The folks here at Giant Eagle really made it come to life, and I'm just excited to see, how it does, because just the packaging alone and the ingredients are very clean. I feel like it's gonna do well.